Hello to one and all present here. Today we are going to give a presentation on Introduction to Process Costing. Process costing is a method used in accounting to track the cost of production for businesses that manufacture goods through a continuous flow of identical or very similar units. It focuses on processes. Unlike job costing, which tracks cost or individual jobs, process costing focuses on the cost associated with each production process or department. Continuous flow. This method is ideal for industries with continuous production lines. Averaging cost. Since individual units are not tracked, the cost per unit is calculated by averaging the total cost of production for a period by the number of units produced during that period. Characteristics of process costing. Homogeneous products, identical units produced in large quantities. Continuous production. Production process is ongoing without interruptions. Cost accumulation. Costs are accumulated for a period of time and then assigned to units produced during that period. Differences between process costing versus job costing. Process costing. It focuses on the cost of each production process within a production line, ideal for businesses with continuous production of similar units. It assumes a continuous flow of production where units move through various stages seamlessly. Individual units are not easily identifiable. Job costing. It focuses on the cost of each individual job or project. It deals with discrete jobs or batches that can be clearly distinguished from each other. Flow of cost. Cost element. Direct materials, direct labor and manufacturing overhead. Cost accumulation. Costs are accumulated in each department or process. Cost assignment. Costs are assigned to units of output at the end of the accounting period. Steps in process costing. Accumulate cost. Calculate equivalent units, compute cost per equivalent unit, allocate cost to completed and incomplete units. Equivalent units of production. In process costing, equivalent units of production are a crucial concept for calculating the cost per unit and valuing the inventory of partially finished goods. Since units are constantly flowing through production and may be at different stages of completion at any given time. Components of EUP. There are two main components of equivalent units: physical unit and percentage completion. Physical unit represents that actual number of units physically in the work process inventory at the end of the period. Percentage completion. It represents the estimated stage of completion for each unit in the WIP inventory. Cost per equivalent unit. In process costing, the cost per equivalent unit is a crucial metric used to value work in process, inventory, and finished goods. Allocating cost. Allocating cost in process costing involves assigning the total production cost incurred during a period to various production processes and ultimately to the units produced. Identifying cost. Start by identifying the different cost categories associated with the work process, similar to the overall process costing approach. Conclusion. Process costing is a valuable accounting method for businesses that manufacture goods through a continuous flow of identical or very similar units. Here are a summary of its key aspects and why it's important. Key features. Focuses on processes. Costs are tracked and for each production process rather than individual jobs. Suitable for continuous production. Ideal for industries with uninterrupted production lines. Cost averaging. The cost per unit is an average based on the total cost of production for a period divided by the number of units produced. Equivalent units. This concept helps account for partially finished goods in various stages of completion within the production line. Thank you.